Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Kareem. Jamia Millia Badarpur, a unique private madrasa for Hafiz students, is going to be kick-started by the next month at Badarpur, the educational hub of Barak Valley. And this is a tragic reality of our madrasa background students to crack out a paper even. So being a Quran Hafiz, being a spiritual student, one must be understand the verses of Quran what he is reciting and could be able to determine its interpretation. So passing out exams with flying colors is not an overall or holistic development of a student. That must be understood by our people. My mentor, my ex-colleague Maulana Abdul Hafiz Qasimi, one of the tremendously well-credentialed Islamic scholar in Barak Valley, has come out with the concept of this madrasa, where they will try to inculcate the students with confidence, with English-speaking classes, Arabic-speaking classes, moral values, and ethics of the students to make them best with the best possible way. Your child could be able to cover a lot of ground in the future. So do not sit in the house with the two states of mind. Come across, appreciate it, help them to grow with the courage. As you know, the Islamic or the madrasa, the Qawmi madrasas are just running with the private donations. So be a part of it and see in the next 5 to 10 years your mess up bed of your house is dominating the society and becoming the best version of himself and fulfilling the dream of you, the fulfilling the dream of Sir Sayyid, Dr. Mahbubul Haq, and the Badruddin Ajmal of the present times. So आप सबको मेरी गुजारिश है कि आप सब लोग आइए, और ये बहुत एक अहम मुद्दा है और अहम चीज़ है जो हम लोगों को तवज्जो देना चाहिए। कुरान हाफिज़ बनाने के लिए कुरान हाफिज़ों को एक मजबूत तरीक़े से उन लोगों को ग्रो अप करना चाहिए, अपनी पढ़ाई को कैसे एक्सप्रेस करें और मतलब इस्लाम को और आगे तक ले जाए, उनकी जो इल्म है उनको जाहिर करे लोगों के सामने जो पढ़े हैं उन लोगों ने। सो ये हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है, हमारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है, आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है to make your children as the best version of himself and to prove the society that madrasa background students are not only learning the religious things, they are also able to compete this 21st century, and they are also indulged with the people and with the technological things of this 21st century and digital